Dear students, Standard 4, today we will read the Genius book, which is the book of general knowledge. Please open your book, page number 15. So, have you opened? So, here are some pictures. That is your topic name is the change makers. So, these people are the change known as the change makers in the world. So, they have dedicated some works which is give them a name, that is they are the change of the they are the change makers of the society. So that these are some famous personalities who have excelled in different fields. Read the clues and write their names. That means they have the excellency, they have shown their excellency in their occupation fields. So here is a photo. He is popularly known as the Metro Man. Who is that person? Who is that person? That means engineer Sridharan. Engineer Sridharan of India, who made the map or a graph of metro railway in India. So he is known as the Metro Man in India and the broad of India. So that you come to the number 2, that is she has dedicated her life to social work. He was a great eminent social worker in the world who is belongs to the India. Then his name is Sudha Murthy. His name is Sudha Murthy. He is a great social worker and his life is dedicated for the welfare of the society, for the development of the society through social works. So you come to the photo number 3. He is called the poor man's doctor. He is called the poor man's doctor. That means Devi Prasad Sethi is called as the poor man's doctor because he is dedicated for the poor people and always he helps through his doctorate profession to the patients, to the poor patients, to the people, and he is very dedicated in his duty as a doctor. In India, he is very famous in India among the 130 crore people. She became the first woman astronaut to be on space for the longest time. That means Sunita Williams, whose origin is from India, and his mother, her mother was Indian and her father was American. So that Sunita Williams is the first Indo-American lady who went to the space, space among other astronauts. That is who remain in the space for a long time. That is Sunita Williams, origin from India. So you come to the number 5 photo. That is, he is a famous chef who has inspired many to take up this profession. That means chef means who is a great cook in the hotel professions. He inspired many people, many youngsters to be the noted chefs in various hotels. So he is a famous chef who has inspired many to take up this profession, that is chef profession, that means cooking profession. So that he is Sanjeev Kapoor. He is Sanjeev Kapoor. So you come to the last. She is the chairman and chief executive officer, CEO of Pepsi company. He is the first ladies chairman and in India who became the CEO of Pepsi company. That is Indira Nooyi. She is Indira Nooyi. So now we have completed this. And what the wise owl speaks, that Indira Nooyi has been named as one of the world's 100 most powerful women by the Forbes magazine in 2008. Understood, my students? So now we have closed today, and this page number 15 already covered it, and we will read on tomorrow the other page. Have a nice day. Thank you.